Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at Pygame. And this video we're just really going to familiarize ourselves with text on the screen. We're not going to do anything with it. We're just gonna look at it and see what all is there. So if you are new here, this is what we do. We do micro videos. So this is actually going to be another example of a module in a module. Sorry. Well, here, let's do dir. Pygame. Okay, and boom, font. There we go. Yeah, okay. Sorry, thought I messed up something. So pygame dot font. So here we are. So here are all the methods inside this module, and this is how we put text to the screen. And we're going to start delving into this, but I didn't want to come and just pull out of the here. I want to make sure, because I've gotten some feedback that sometimes I might go a little too quickly, and I do not want this. I do not want to do that. I want to make sure that's the purpose of this channel. Is actually got an awesome comment on it and didn't know how to describe this channel, but micro videos, specific subjects, one subject at a time. And this is an example of a module inside a library, but it has a section, and then it breaks down even further. So this is what we're going to be doing next, because right now all we have is a block and we can move it around. But we've done a lot of work, and a lot of good work on functionality, but we've not shared any information. We're not telling the user anything, because right now we're the user. That's kind of cheating, but we want to test it. We want to make sure that we have all the issues that we have solved, because we just don't want to send it out and it be garbage, because we're not even to the point to have it be tested yet. So this is Pygame font module. Just want to do a quick touch and go, and we're going to start then putting text on screens and go from there. So, all right, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if this is the type videos you like and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we don't want you missing anything. And my absolute favorite, please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, because I love the feedback and it helps lead the channel in the direction that it needs to go. So as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.